Hello, I'm Allison Price with The Infused Life, and I'm here today to give you a quick tutorial on how you can make your own all-natural cleaning spray, all-purpose spray that involves zero chemicals and toxins and cleans your home even better than the chemicals and toxins would. So all you need is a glass bottle or an aluminum bottle. Plastic is okay too, but really glass or aluminum, stainless steel would be better because we are going to use some essential oils in this recipe, and over time oils will leach into your plastic. Then you also need some white vinegar. I have a humongous bottle of it because I go through a lot of it in my green cleaning and natural cleaning lifestyle. And then I have some essential oils. So let me show you how super simple this is. This is about a 2-cup spray bottle. It holds about 16 ounces. So I'm going to take it mostly to the top with water. And this is just water right out of my tap. So this brings it, that's 2 cups of water, and it brings it right up to about here. Then I'm going to add in some vinegar, and I really eyeball this. There's, you don't have to be super scientific with it. I'll just fill the rest of it up with vinegar. And then I take my essential oils. So there are many different essential oils that are great for use in cleaning products. Clove, cinnamon, the On Guard blend, the Purify blend, eucalyptus, any of your citrus oils, tea tree oil. So really, you have a lot of options at your disposal. And for me personally, what I like to do is, depending on the time of year it is and the kind of scent I want to smell, is what I pick. So right now, being that it is summer, I like to do eucalyptus and lemon. It's a fresh scent, it's a cleansing aroma, and they're both really good at killing germs, bacteria, you name it. I clean my countertops with this, door handles, cabinet knobs, kitchen counters, bathroom sink counters, toilet seats, everything gets cleaned with this all-purpose spray. So I'm going to add about 15 drops of eucalyptus, and then I'm going to add 15 drops of lemon. So you want to shoot for around 30 drops total, and I just drop those in, and that's it. Then I put my cap on, and the vinegar has its own cleaning capabilities, but when you mix it with the water and the essential oils, it also helps to work as an emulsifier for the oil and water. But when you're using your own DIY cleaning sprays that include essential oils, the one thing that you always want to remember is to just give it a nice gentle shake before you use it so that it all submerges together, because oil and water will separate. And then that's it. All you do, spray it down and wipe it off. And one other tip that a lot of people don't realize is when you buy these toxic chemical cleaners and they say antibacterial, you actually need to let it sit for about 10 minutes on the surface that you're cleaning before you wipe it to truly benefit from the antibacterial benefits that it's giving you. Nobody does that. How many people even knew that? We spray, we wipe, right? That's what we do. With essential oils in your cleaning spray, you can do just that. You can spray and you can wipe, and it's going to be clean and it's going to be degermed. So that's it. Super simple, couple ingredients, pennies on the dollar, and you've got your all-purpose cleaning spray. Have a good one, everybody.